This is just like wow. Almond rice. I have to say thank you for my hair. His recipe in his YouTube channel was very easy to prepare, very nice. Thank you. So look at this rice, almonds roasted a little bit, chicken, smells like wow. Just all the spices is very almond rice, very nice. So I leave you next to it how I did it. Hope you like it. Hi. So today we are going to the Middle East. Yeah, we are doing some almond rice with some ground meat, chicken, rice, and this almonds I'm roasting them now. And I just also did a tabbouleh salad, which we are gonna eat with this almond rice. And I'm just what I did is just I did a regular rice with onion. I leave you the recipe how to cook a rice my way. And the other side I chop 1.5 onion and I saute it with butter and olive oil. Hold on, we have to be careful here that the almonds don't get burned. So there you go. And after that I just add salt, pepper, cumin, cardamom powder and cinnamon. And this is just wow, fabulous. The taste is just, the smell is fabulous. Let's see how it tastes. We can add a little bit of more of cardamom. Wow. And a little bit more of salt will be also okay. This was around 1 teaspoon. So after that I add ground meat and I stir fry everything together. Previously we boiled chicken breast, and we have the broth here. It's important to use it now. This recipe I got it from a chef. He speaks Spanish, but his name is Arabic. He's Maher. His channel is in Spanish. I like it because it was very easy the way he explained it, and it's really very easy to do. You see, you have to be careful here with the almonds, always moving them. They are just being stir fried, kind of with a little bit of olive oil and butter. So, and now what I'm gonna do is just gonna incorporate the rice to the meat, mix all together, add a little bit of broth to make it all together, and we are gonna top it with the almond and some chicken, and of course some parsley. So I'll check it out later, okay? I did this rice just kind of on some steps. Yeah, the first I did in the morning, I took a pan, add some water, garlic, half an onion. I also add a little bit of veggie broth. And I add my chicken breast. Very easy. I just add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of pepper, and a tiny bit salt. I just boil it, let it cook, and after I just turn it off and let it rest to cool down. Later on I start doing a rice. I just stir fry the rice with butter and olive oil and half an onion. It's very important that you have pre-washed rice and just stir fry. You have to be careful, of course, not to burn your rice. Just low temperature, low medium temperature to stir fry it. You add a little bit of salt. You add the onion. You can also stir fry before the onion. I just did it this way because I forgot. Now I just realized I missed the onion because I usually don't do rice with onion. So now I add my half an onion and I just stir fry it with the rice together. So in my kitchen, I know also the temperature I have to have and the time I have to have the rice as I like. And it's just, I add 1.5 cup of water. I add 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cup of water, and I will cook it at low temperature for 13 minutes. Yeah, 1-3. So on the other pan, we start the preparation for our meat. The same as with the rice, a little bit of butter, a little bit of oil or olive oil, and we are gonna saute our onion and garlic. So check it out. It's quite basic stuff, very easy. So after the 13 minutes are gone, I'm just gonna cover it with the lid on, and I add a serviette or a towel just to avoid to add more liquid, and I just cook it 10 minutes and then let it cool down. Look, we got our chicken with it just cool down, and we got our onion and garlic, and now we're gonna add the spices. We're gonna start with cardamom. Look, I use a teaspoon, a big one, so a full one I mean. We're gonna use cumin. You have to add a little bit and then you adjust it, yeah? It's better if you add not too much at the beginning and then you adjust it just in the middle of it. Now we're gonna add some cinnamon. Now we are going to add some salt. And some pepper as well.
So I have a little bit of less oil, so I will add a little bit more of olive oil just to get them correctly fried like that. Just stir fry all together. Look, now this is what we need, and we are ready to add our meat. So we add our meat. We are gonna mix it together with our onion and just stir fry. Just separate all the meat, like small, getting a small, real ground meat. So in small pieces. You don't want a big chunk of meat there. The next step is the almonds. So what we're gonna do, same, butter, olive oil, and we're gonna stir fry our almonds. You have to constantly move it. Be careful with the temperature you're using, not to burn it. Yeah, they are very easy to burn, so you just have to be careful controlling your temperature and just keep moving it. So we are set. We have our ground meat, and we are add a little bit of the chicken. We are having our almonds being roasted there, fried, roasted. We got our rice ready also, and we are just gonna mix all together. Shake this out. So after we got the chicken with the meat together, just mix, we are gonna add our rice. You see, our rice is just a little bit cool down. It was easy to remove from the pan, and we're gonna move everything together, incorporate everything with a little bit of chicken broth. So this steam will help us to warm it up and also get a little bit of the flavor from the meat to the rice, to get it together. Carefully with the almonds, I'm just double checking it that they are not getting burned, and we are keep moving the rice, incorporate it until it got all real mixed. As you see, look, we are just almost ready to go. We add a little bit of more of broth for the heat it up. There we finalize with the rest of the rice. I just added the rice just in two parts, not like I don't want too much rice and too less meat. I just wanted a kind of level it, and in this time I got all the rice I prepared. We are just ready to plate it. It's very easy. We're gonna put our rice in a plate, in a bowl. It's up to you. We are gonna top it with the rest of the chicken and the almonds, and we're finalizing it with some chopped parsley on top. Well, I hope you like it. This is a very easy recipe. I'm sure you will like it. My wife got crazy with the flavors and the smelly. My grandmother also ate twice, even though she doesn't eat much, but she really liked it. They were a combination of flavors, smell, taste. Everything was very, very nice. This recipe is just very, very easy to do. You need a little bit of work. Enjoy it. Do it in a Sunday, family food to eat together. Enjoy it. Thank you very much. If you like it, please give me a like, give me a thumb up, share it, and leave me a comment. Thank you very much.